Hey guys, the wig that I'll be using in today's video is from RPG Hair. This is their 14-inch ombre blonde wig, which is 100% Indian Remy hair. This wig also comes with a density of 150%, so this is a nice heavy bob wig. This wig also comes with baby hairs. This frontal does come with bleach knots, which is only 1 inch of the lace, so I would still suggest bleaching the frontal or using some sort of makeup to conceal the knots. As I stated, the density on this wig is 150%, which is pretty good for a bob wig. I can definitely tell all of the density is in the actual hair instead of the hairline, which I like because I didn't have to pluck a whole lot to get a natural look for this wig. So this wig comes with 4.5 inches of parting space according to the website. It also comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps to secure your unit down. So let's talk about the texture of this wig. The wig feels really good considering that it was pre-styled, dyed before shipping out to me. This hair is really soft. I've had pre-colored hair before, and sometimes the texture of the hair can be a little rough because the hair is processed. Oh my God, do you see this? What? I just had to like pause for a minute because that hairline was like nice before I did any more plucking. But yeah, like I was saying, sometimes you can get a wig that has been processed with some sort of color and it can feel dry, it can shed a lot, and I'm not getting that with this hair. This hair still feels really soft. It's not a silky texture, it's more so like a in between silky and yucky texture, so it has just the right amount of body to it. So y'all already know I love baby hairs, but I really cannot get my baby hairs to look right on a bob wig. Like I try and I try and I try, and I just fail every single time. And this was like my first time ever getting as close to the look that I was going for. So yeah, I kind of went overboard on my baby hairs, okay? Sorry, but you guys know I love it anyways. So I'm just playing around with the hairline, trying to figure out if I really want to add more baby hairs. And I think I do. So I'm going to add more baby hairs and continue to style this hair. If you want to purchase this hair, everything will be below. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how I bleach, pluck, or lay baby hairs, I'll have those videos below in the info bar. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.